In this video, I'll show you how to use APIs in Lovable. Now, first and foremost, I would tell you to go to your profile icon on the top right and just click on the settings option. Now, in here, you'll see tons of integrations. And connecting these various integrations like GitHub or Supabase is one of the best ways to use third-party API integrations. So I'm first going to connect GitHub on the right here. And then all you need to do is sign in and then authorize lovable.dev. And then next I'm going to integrate Supabase. So we'll now have that backend capability. So connect Supabase again on the right. And I'm just going to use that GitHub that I connected earlier to sign in. Or you can just use your email and password. And then I'm going to authorize Supabase. And now it's going to authorize our API access. I just need to set up an organization quickly, so click on Create an Organization, choose the options that best suit you, and click Create Organization. So let me ask Lovable to make me something. Let's say a chatbot. Now it's going to start doing its thing, and you'll notice when it's done here, it's using a Gemini 2.5 instead of OpenAI. Even though I asked it to use OpenAI's API key, right? Well, that's not the end of the world, because on the left-hand side here, we can just ask Lovable to use my OpenAI key so that we can use OpenAI for the backend. And now it's going to ask me for my secret key, and I can just input it in here and hit submit. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.